Go record it. Oh.
Hot butter challenge.
Hot butter challenge. It's gonna be inside the microwave, obviously.
No.
Is that enough?
Huh?
Is that enough? No more.
Yeah.
Should put more?
It's up to you.
So it'll just be a bit.
Your fault if I die. Is this even different? If we react to this.
I think we will. I won't be able to swallow it.
How much seconds are you going to
Obviously 50.
50? Okay.
There's 2 cups inside there.
Put it back in. Actually, doesn't come. Maybe she does.
Put it away from here. Yeah, I'm gonna stitch it. Itching is a bit messy, but yeah. Oh my god.
This is dangerous.
Oh my leg. Look at that.
Can you see?
Oh.
Can you?
Yeah, obviously. That looks disgusting. It looks like custard, mustard, whatever it's called.
Look, it's even outside the plate. I mean,
No, should we put a bit more? Sorry.
looks like messed up.
You don't put butter inside the thing, do you? Is it only 5 seconds?
Sorry.
Okay, we'll just stop it now. Like, it's gonna burn it to death.
That's like you're teaching someone how to cook.
In it. Eva. Kitchen.
Did we have?
Like it. No, we have. Oh, we'll do that. I'll get this one.
Yes,